Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. So I'm going to show you something that we come across many times when we install subwoofers on new vehicles. New vehicles a lot of times they have some noise cancellation feature. In the Honda it's called the ANC, Active Noise Cancellation. Basically you have another mic in the car that takes away the noise to make sure that you won't have too much road noise. The thing is that it interferes with the subwoofer. So in this car we have the microphone in here. Now to access it is quite difficult because you have to remove the liner and everything. So it's quite difficult to access it. So we're gonna go to the ANC system directly and we're just gonna snap the wire from there. The ANC system is behind the glove compartment. We're gonna show you how to remove the glove compartment and we're gonna show you which wire it is the correct wire. So let's go ahead and start. So first we have to remove the glove compartment. So first we're going to remove the side piece in here. I'm going to pop it out. Quick popper, just clips. Remove it out. Put it on the side. Then on the bottom here we have two screws that are number 8, but they're also Phillips. But first we're going to remove, there's also plastic cover. So we're going to pop the plastic cover out. Again, just simple clips. Simple clips, the piece comes out. Then we have two screws, one on this side and one on this side. Okay, so you can either use the number 8 or you can use a Phillips bit. So that's how it's gonna look. Number 8 and Phillips also. This side. Put the screws on the side. Next thing, we're going to open the glove compartment. We have here the soft closer piece. So you just push it down and it comes out from the clip that's holding it from the hanging. Then you press the two sides and the whole drawer comes down. We have 3 screws in here. All of them are Phillips. 1, 2, and 3 silver Phillips screws, and then the whole drawer will come down. Easily coming out. Put it on the side. Now, there's a unit in here. We can see it on this side. Okay, so this unit is our ANC controller, and this is the connector where we're going to work on the wires. So I'm going to take it. Now unplug the connector. Now I already exposed the loom that was covering it, so it will be easier for us to see. Okay, so we have here the connector. Now we have, as you can see, we have some different combo of wires, which is sets of 2s. So there are set of 2, set of 3. They are shield plus a wire or 2 wires. In this case, the wires that we need is going to be the black wire on pin 17 and the gray wire on pin 6. They're basically in front of each other. So we have on these ones we have the pin numbers. So we're going to go to pin 6, which is our gray one, and on the other side pin 17, which as you can see, they are going together and they're going together to that loom. This goes to the mic. Okay, so we have pin 6 and pin 17. It's a black and gray wire. We're just gonna snap the black wire. We're gonna leave enough space so in case you ever need to reconnect it, we leave enough space. Okay, and obviously we're gonna tape it to make sure that it's not exposed, no interference, and basically your microphone problem just got solved. That is the ANC mic disconnection procedure. If you have any questions, you can send them, you can put them in the messages, and subscribe to our channels, and we'll see you next time. Have a good day.